I'm going to, while we're talking about AI killing us all, I just want to throw in a quick little movie trailer here. Now, let me know if you can hear this word. Can you hear sound?
What in the dickens is going on around here? Who was driving it? I don't know.
Curtis! It's coming after us! What is going on?
I don't know! You want a war? You got one. I just want to get the hell out of here. Please don't let me in the dark. Help me. You're going to get us in an awful lot of trouble, man. We already in trouble.
Maximum terror.
Jesus coming and he is.
Maximum king.
Maybe tomorrow will be our world again.
Dino De Laurentiis presents Stephen King's Maximum Overdrive.
Yeah, all right. So, long story short, do we have like a Lawnmower Man, Maximum Overdrive type future to worry about, Ward? What do you think?
Oh God, no. Here's the nice little thing that most of us don't know. Cars have been computerized for so many years. They've been hackable for 8, maybe 10 years already. How do you think that your car adjusts the airbags? So if you get into your car and you weigh 120 kilograms, I get into your car and I weigh 75 kilograms. The velocity that airbag has to deploy changes. Your car has a weight sensor already in it, and it changes. Your car, if you know how to, you can already hack into any newer car, disable brakes, lock somebody in. This is not new. You can go back and you can see this on 60 Minutes years ago.
So there's we might have to worry about.
Sorry, what I'm trying to say is everything we just saw in that trailer is actually possible. You can actually take over a car and run people over if you really want to.